Hi friends, welcome back. Today I'm doing a review on the Kamisafe portable flexible phone tripod. Also works with GoPro. If you can look behind me there, it's perched right on the chair. It's like grabbing it. And I have concrete floor, so it's kind of trusting. Alright, here it is. Here is the deal. Pretty cool tripod. I mean, you can bend it pretty much any way you want. The little legs are, well, I just happen to have a tape measure here. So they're almost 8 inches long, and wherever you bend them, that's where they stay, and actually exert a little bit of force. It's just grabbing onto the chair there. Okay, so they're rubber or silicone ends on all of it. All this has, all the white parts you see, is that. So it pretty much grips onto stuff, and you can see the versatility of it. Wrap it around a tree branch, a chair, on the back of chair, perch it on your shoulder. This thing is pretty amazing. So I'm liking that. Another cool feature of this tripod is it has this little button here. If you guys can see on the back, you could push that button and your whole assembly just slides right off there. So really easy to get back in place. Also, you just got to put it in the right way. Okay, you just slide it back in there if you want, and you're good to go. Take your phone off. Let's see, just pull it off of there. Oh, wow, my fingers got. Okay, so that's nice and stiff, but it's probably not gonna fall off of there. It's got a little foam ridge here on the top and a little rubber one here to hold your phone in place. I'm actually gonna measure now, like how much this goes up. This is a Google Pixel XL2, so it's a decent sized phone, and no problem fitting it in there. If I can hold it here. Alright, let's see, we're at an inch. So I'm at 4.5 inches there, or probably 4. So my phone's only, your average phone is going to be about, this is about 3.5. So plenty of room to hold that. It says it holds GoPro and everything too, so I'm sure it does. It definitely holds it snug too, this part. You can screw it into the bottom of that, and with the screw there, and that holds that in place. So appears to be well constructed. I mean, this can bend like any which way, and it actually, I think it looks really cool. Okay, so what else we got that came with this is a little Bluetooth remote for your camera. Now this was, you know, some Bluetooth things don't really have a lot of range and need like maybe line of sight. I'm really impressed with this. Let me take your picture real quick. So I'm going to click. There we go. I got my picture. To set up, you just go to your Bluetooth. Once you turn this thing on, it's got a little button here on the side, a little switch. You switch up, goes into on, automatically looking for some device to connect to. Found it as like a shutter, like A11 shutter in my Bluetooth devices. Connected instantly, so no trouble there. It worked really great. It has for iOS, it says camera 360, and Android, obviously hooked up to the Android because that's a Google Pixel. Anyway, so I want to test the range on this, test the line of sight. I literally went from like one end of my house to the other, so it's about, probably about 50 feet, 45, 50 feet. And I stuck it in the bedroom over here, and not even line of sight, kind of off to the side a little bit, and went to the bathroom over there on the other side of the house, and I pushed this and it took a picture anyway. So really happy with the range on this little guy. I've actually dropped this a couple times and it's still working good, so pretty cool. I'm gonna go ahead and shut it off now. Yeah, what can I say? So you can grab this from Amazon for about $13, and it seems to be worth pretty much every penny. It's rather small, and I see me using this thing a lot in the near future, so pretty definitely a neat tripod. I have several different tripods, and the versatility of this one, I mean, just the ability to pretty much put it on anything that you want to is pretty cool. And then the little shutter, the Bluetooth remote for your camera is a nice little bonus, you know, so you could take your pictures with, if you want, with whatever, you know. What else? That's about it. We addressed the weight. I think it's really lightweight. It probably doesn't even weigh half a pound, maybe. I'm not exactly sure how much it weighs, but great little device here by Kamisafe. So I think I said it was around $13. Yeah. So I'll leave a link in the description below. Anyways, you guys could check it out if you want to. Yeah. So cool little camera tripod for sure. You guys have a good day out there, and we will see you next time.